Ibaraki Airport was shaken violently. Part of the ceiling of the terminal building fell.
You're seeing live footage of a tsunami engulfing the port area of Kamai City in Iwate Prefecture. This is from our camera reporter in Miyagi. And it looks like the tsunami has engulfed several cities in Miyagi Prefecture. This is after a major earthquake hitting Japan Friday afternoon. In northeastern Japan's Iwate Prefecture, tsunami waves of over 4 meters were observed soon after the quake. In the Sendai area, Miyagi Prefecture, north of Japan. So he says the quake measured magnitude 8.4. He has revised it upwards to 8.4. The agency has issued a tsunami warning for Japan's Pacific coast. A large inferno, Chiba Prefecture, Ichihara area. Oil refinery up in blaze. That blaze lighting up the whole area in yellow. So you're seeing a fire that is completely raging out of control. This probably as far as they can get close to that fire that looks like bigger than some of the surrounding buildings, completely raging out of control. Live coverage from our helicopter up in northern Miyagi Prefecture, where a tsunami obviously...
As of 7 p.m., the full extent of the damage is still not known.
This is Hachinohe City at 4:30 p.m. and we can observe the tsunami hitting the port.
Obviously someone inside that building waving a white towel. Help. You can see people evacuating on top of the buildings at Sendai area and Sendai Airport. They're obviously moving to higher ground as the tsunami has hit the area.